The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, requires regular servicing to ensure reliability and longevity. This video covers the essential oil change, inspection, and maintenance intervals, crucial for keeping your Fabia III in top condition. While production ended in 2021, millions remain on the road, making this information vital. Recent extended warranty options from Skoda and service bulletins regarding oil filter issues highlight the importance of proper maintenance. The Fabia III features a sophisticated condition-based monitoring system that replaces traditional fixed service schedules with adaptive intervals based on real driving conditions. Integrated into the car's electronics, this system continuously monitors key factors including mileage, time elapsed since last service, engine operating hours, and even oil quality to determine when maintenance is actually needed. Rather than following rigid fixed intervals, the system adapts to your individual driving habits and conditions, optimizing maintenance needs and helping to reduce unnecessary servicing while ensuring reliability. The system provides digital service reminders through the car's infotainment system. Pay attention to the service interval display on your dashboard for timely alerts such as service due or oil change warnings. Full inspections are recommended every 2 years or 30,000 kilometers. These include thorough checks of brakes, tires, suspension, and emissions. Smaller service visits often coincide with oil changes, occurring every 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers. These visits involve multi-point inspections, covering fluid levels, belts, and battery health. Following this schedule helps identify potential issues early. A real-world example involves a 2017 Skoda Fabia III with a 1.2 TSI engine that experienced premature turbo failure at 100,000 kilometers. This failure occurred due to skipped oil changes and ignoring the vehicle's service interval display warnings. The owner faced a €2,500 repair bill as a result. This case highlights why regular oil changes every 15,000 kilometers can extend turbo life by 50% and prevent such costly failures. The trend towards predictive maintenance. While newer Skoda platforms use integrated telematics for real-time monitoring, Fabia III owners can achieve similar benefits through aftermarket solutions. Fabia III owners can utilize aftermarket apps and OBD2 scanners for similar functionality. These tools connect to your car's onboard diagnostic system. These tools allow for predictive maintenance, helping you anticipate and address potential issues before they become major problems. Regularly monitoring your car's diagnostics can save time and money in the long run by preventing costly repairs through early detection. Experts emphasize that timely oil changes are crucial for Fabia III reliability, with 80% of engine failures stemming from neglected maintenance. According to the ADAC, Fabia III models have a 92% satisfaction rate for longevity, reaching an average of 150,000 kilometers before major issues if services are followed. Ensure you keep up to date with services to retain its value. As the Fabia III ages, ICE parts availability may decline, potentially increasing repair costs. Consider remanufactured parts as a cost-effective option. Embrace eco-friendly services like biodegradable oils to reduce environmental impact. Staying proactive with maintenance will ensure your Fabia III continues to provide reliable service for years to come.